Welcome. In this lesson, I'll show you how to install WordPress on your local server on your computer. So search for SAMP, then click text. You can download if you are using 64-bit system, but if you are using 32-bit system, simply click small downloads. Choose your OS. Here I will choose Windows. So look for version 7.3.2. 7.3.2. So they exit. Now look for 32-bit. So they exit and download. You can then install the SAMP app. So I will advise you not to install SAMP on this location. So just write it outside of this location or another partition. To install SAMP here, don't install it in your program file. Click next. Now wait for some minutes. Okay, while this is installing, so let us go and download WordPress. So search for WordPress. So click here. So they exit. So come here and click here to download. So you will have text and request. Make sure you allow access. We are almost done here. You may just click finish. So just launch SAMP. After launching it, come down here. So you have it here. Just click text. So you will have text. Start these two modules. So you can access your database here. Just click here. So this is PHP So you have your database here. So and you have user account here. So you can create new user here. Admin, password, admin. Oh, password again. So you have added a new user. So see the user I created. So go back to database and create new database. Database has been created. Now go to your SAMP folder where you install the SAMP. So look for 80 docs. I'm going to copy the WordPress we downloaded to this place. So there is the WordPress. So you will extract this WordPress to this location. Into this 80 docs. Extract. Click text. Choose SAMP. Then 80 docs. And click OK. So wait for some minutes. So you now have WordPress here. So you can rename it to whatever name you like. Now go back to your browser. So you will type text. If you are seeing this error, that means that you have to run SAMP with admin privilege. So let me show you how to do that. And here. So just run the X or right click and send a shortcut to your desktop. So just ping to taskbar or start menu, so you'll be running it from there. So launch text, accept. Now we're here, start this module and this one too. Now go back, reload. So select your language and click continue. So we'll be using all the information we created here. So you can change this to whatever you want. Click submit, run the installation. Now I will install Wordpress. This will be my admin username, my admin password, and the admin email. Now WordPress has been installed, so you can say the password. I will log in. I've now installed WordPress on my computer, my local server, so I can do anything. I can install theme, I can upload plugins, so I can do whatever I want here, just like using a web server. Select. You must have internet connection to install plugins and themes. See now, show the install again activate. You can say the Excel site, so the accept. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.